Okay, I've just changed the oil on my 350 diesel engine. As you can see here in the box, black oil. I'm changing the oil every 1500 miles to be sure that the engine runs well. So as you can see here, we got engine and the new fresh oil, the Dynocat Fleetwood Power XD. Super high performance universal heavy duty diesel engine oil. So that's the best. Well, back again, I'm going to fill these boxes up. So as I got the camera here, oh, this oil smells very very bad. So I will just fill it up and drive this back to the station. Yes, very dirty oil. Okay, that's it.